So here is an explanation as to why there may or may not be a system test video that comes out. The one that I made did not come out well. I just went to Lowe's and got a bunch of new electrical boxes, wire, wood screws, that sort of thing. And what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be switching around the layout of things. I'm probably going to take out these back boxes and put in these because they're deeper. And where this spot are might be moved over a bit because the holes. But this is going to go to, and then this is going to put in this octagon box for a smoke detector, and then I'm probably going to drop in another single gang box for another pull station, and then I may remove that and just make that part of that system too. So this is going to take me probably a week tops because I have, school and other obligations. I don't know how many days it's going to take me to redo everything because my system test video that I just made did not come out well. So basically the fire alarm system is going to be completely upgraded, rewired, and everything for a third time. So this is going to be probably shouldn't take me more than a week or anything. Probably should only take me a couple days. So I will be posting videos still, but not of this system because I'm going to be, again, redoing it. So that is what's going on with the fire alarm system, and hopefully system test 15 or 16 will be out in the next week or so with the new stuff, like new electrical boxes and stuff. So thank you for watching, and that's what's going to be going on.